Hi, friends. My name is Erin. Tonight I have with me Winston. Say hi, Winston. Hello, how do you do? And little Miss Milton. Yeah. Tonight we'll be reading Where Do Diggers Sleep at Night by Brianna Caplan Sayres, illustrated by Christian Slade. I hope I said their names right. I try my best. Where do diggers sleep at night? Do they dream of holes they dug? Do their moms reach from front to backhoe when they give a goodnight hug? Where do dump trucks sleep at night after dumping dirt and rocks? Do they gather toys and dump them in a giant truck toy box? Where do garbage trucks sleep when they're done collecting trash? Do their dads sniff their load and say, "P.U., time to take a bath"? Where do monster trucks sleep when they've done a day of crushing? Do they find a giant puddle when their metal teeth need brushing? Where do fire engines sleep when they've won their firefights? Do their flashing fire red beacons make for super bright night lights? Where do snowplows sleep at night when they've cleared the snow away? Do their moms say, "Get to sleep, boys, lots more snow is on the way"? Where do car transporters sleep when they're loaded up with cars? Do they tell those cars a story as they sleep beneath the stars? Where do tow trucks sleep at night when they've reached their destination? Do they tuck each broken car into a cozy service station? Where do giant cranes sleep when they've lifted their last beams? Do their moms pick them up and rock them and wish them sweet truck dreams? Where do tractors sleep at night after plowing all day long? Do their dads sing Old Truck Donald for a barnyard bedtime song? Where do all these trucks sleep after rumbling down the road? Do they gather at a truck stop to rest their heavy loads? Do they ask for one more story, one more kiss, and one more hug? Do they cuddle with their teddies under blankets soft and snug? Where do your trucks sleep at night when it's time to go to bed? They'll be waiting in your toy box when you wake, my sleepy head. The end. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you enjoyed this book, Where Do Diggers Sleep at Night? We will see you next time. Bye-bye. Good night.